Sairam, good morning to all. Welcome in our English composition class. So, today we are going to take the topic from English composition. So, let's start our topic. So, today we are going to discuss. So, our topic is recount. Okay, recount. So, let's discuss what is recount, what do you mean by recount, and why it's necessary to read recount topic. So we have here a recount is the retelling or recounting of an event or an experience. Recount means count means just to counting. Recounting means just recounting means just recollecting something which had happened before. Okay, so we had an experience. It is based on the experience where you all already have gone through. Okay, so recount is the retelling. Again, see, telling is something, and again retelling is recounting of an event or an experience. You had been somewhere and you had experience about that place, that person, that house. So that is known as recount. The purpose or point of recount writing is to retell and describe past events in the order that happened. Yes, it is given that the main point for the recount writing is what? It describes about the past events which we have already visited and which has already done in our past in the order that happened with. Okay, express a personal opinion. It can be a different opinion according to the individual person. I had different opinion. If you visit the same place, you had different opinion, right? So it is a personal opinion of individual person. The structure or order needs to include, that is the most important thing, that recount should include the main thing, that is introduction, main body and conclusion. Okay, in what conclusion it has gone. So structure or order needs to include introduction, main body and conclusion. So what does introduction should have? Introduction. What did they do? Where did this take place? What was the purpose of the activity? When did this happen? Who did the activity? It means which place it had happened, when it had happened, who was there when it had happened, what activity, the main purpose of the activity to visit that place was, what did you do there, where did this take place. Okay, it means they are asking about the place. So you have to introduce all the things, what, where, when, who. Okay, so what did they do, where did this take place, what was the purpose of the activity, when did this happen, who did the activity. So these are the introduction in which recount is expressible. Now we have the next topic, that is main body. In recount, now we have to write the main body. Okay, use sequential time words. Write about what happened during the activity. Write in chronological order. Use technical or specific language. Write in paragraphs. Yes, you have to write sequentially. Sequentially orders means at this time we visited there, then this happened. Write about what happened during the activity. So what happened there during the activity, you have to mention that. Write in a chronological order. It means in a sequence in a proper way. Use technical or specific language. Write in paragraphs. Concluding paragraphs. Yes, what paragraph should include? Say what you enjoyed. What you enjoyed. Say what you may do differently if you had the chance. Say what you learned. Sum up your feelings about how the activity went. Are you listening or not? Exams are coming, so listen to me. Yes, concluding paragraph. Okay, say what you enjoyed. Paragraph should have what did you enjoy there, what you may do differently if you had a chance, if you visited there in place of that person, what did you have been doing, what you have learned. Sum up your feelings about how the activity went. The language or style needs to include, yes, if you are writing in a language or a style, it should include the sequential words. Time indicator it is, okay. Past tense it should include. It should include action verbs, specific details about that place. Yes, okay. Sequential words, it means firstly we have done, then next we have done this, meanwhile, after that, eventually, finally, later on, at last, then. Okay, these are the sequential words. Success criteria. The events are in order. What did happen there? You have to write in a proper order. I have used at least 3 times sequence words. I have used at least 3 action verbs. I have an introduction, a main body, and a conclusion. I have used the past tense. I have used specific detail. Yes, the event should be in order. 3 times sequence words, at least 3 action verbs, and have introduction, main body, and the conclusion. Okay, it should have at last this. Use past tense. Use specific detail of the thing, place you visited, or whatever the event is. Okay. So we have write a detailed recount on my school picnic. Okay, you have to write a detailed on my school picnic. Yes, this is the place you have been provided. You have to write the recount detail on my school picnic. My school picnic. Our city park is very famous for its beautiful flowers. Several people go there for a picnic. Every student of my class decided that we all will go to the park for a picnic. Our school principal gave permission for our picnic. So, we all decided to get up early in the morning. Then, we went to the market for purchasing some cakes and biscuits. We also purchased some cold drinks. Then, we packed all the things in our school bag. Our school bag was full of things. We went to the park in our school bus. Again I am repeating, our city park is very famous for its beautiful flowers. Several people go there for a picnic. Every student of my class decided that we all will go to the park for a picnic. Our school principal gave permission for picnic. So, we all decided to get up early in the morning. Then we went to the market for purchasing some cakes and biscuits. We also purchased some cold drinks. Then we packed all the things in our school bag. Our school bag was full of things. We went to the park in our school bus. There were very beautiful flowers in that park. Children were playing everywhere. We sat under the tree. We felt hungry after a while. So we decided to eat cakes and biscuits. There we played kabaddi and kho-kho. After that, we played the music and danced with all our friends. We had spent very memorable time in the park. Thus, we enjoyed our school picnic. Okay, this was the detailed recount on my school picnic. Okay, what things we have took? We have took the sequential word, then we have took the past tense, that we went there, we did this, action verbs we choose, specific details we have given according to the event. Okay, sequential words are these which you can use in your writing. Okay, yes, we have given the introduction, the 4 points. Fourth point, you can see I have an introduction, a main body and a conclusion. Okay, it is used to express in past tense, events are in order, and we are providing a specific details. Okay, so these are the things which we have discussed. These are the main motto which you have to take: introduction, main body and the conclusion. Okay, you have to cover all this topic. Sorry. So you have to write this in your notebook and you have to learn it. Okay, write in notebook, learn twice, go through it what we have discussed, write all the points, that what is recount, purpose or the point of recount writing. Okay, because this time you are having MCQ, so write these main points. Okay, main points also you have to write, and then write the sequential, what are sequential words, and after that write the detailed recount on my school picnic. Okay, and go through it and learn it. Okay, so we'll meet in our next class. Till then, Sai Ram.